All please note that a buffet will be delivered at the end of this ceremony and are advised to make what preparations you may require. Their Majesties call forth Sir Ivar and Duke Moonwolf.
Your Majesty.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Grace.
His Grace and myself both being advocates for the candidate would beg a boon of you.
Ask, and if it be a right, proper thing, it shall be yours.
Yes, the Order of Chivalry.
Call forth the candidate.
Their Majesties summon Victor loc Sant de Dormit.
Hail now! Here comes Victor loc Sant de Dormit. Witness! Stout-limbed, star-hearted! Witness! Stone-born! Fire-lighted! Witness! Commander heeded! Champion proven! Witness! Mark sailing dials as warning and promise! Witness! My cousin! My kin! My friend! This day as always, a paragon! Witness him!
Is there a royal peer who will speak to the nobility of Victor?
I am Moonwolf, Duke of Israel. I have a regard that is not lightly or quickly given, but observed over decades. Victor is a man who has faithfully served and crowned the kingdom and its people from at least the reign of King William. He shares this regard with the kings of the Midland. This man has qualities of a Lord.
Is there a companion of the Laurel who will attest to Victor's skill in the arts and sciences?
Your Majesties, I have a letter. To the Midland Court, a word from Mistress Mary Cayley. Greetings to their Majesties and the honored people of the Midland from Mary Cayley, Laurel, Pelican, and Baroness from the Kingdom of Trimaris. I owe a debt to the Middle Kingdom for the grace shown to me by your kings and queens, Mentor Laurel's, Master Basilius Focus, and Mistress Heloise de Berkestad, and a host of others. I offer these words to make small payment of that debt. I will speak of Victor's service to the arts. The path to peerage is different for each of us. Some Laurels have spent countless hours writing theses and hanging out in arts and sciences competitions. Some choose to spread their wings and create a broad spectrum of objects that add authenticity to our events and endeavors. Victor is an artisan like that. The list of his endeavors is lengthy. He undertakes these projects to create a more authentic background for events and to teach others that appearance and surroundings are possible for anyone. Some of his projects include calligraphy, brewing, researching absinthe, teaching people to make basic garb, striking coins, researching Pompeii and providing dormice to the royal party, and making armor. As I said, we all have different reasons for pursuing the arts. Whatever your aspirations, let me encourage you to follow Victor's example. Make your art useful. Use your art to help others fall in love with our little dream of chivalry. Make things you can be proud of, whether others understand not, and perform your artwork to have fun. Your Majesties, we need more members of the chivalry like Victor.
Is there a companion of the Order of the Pelican who will speak to Victor's service?
Yes. I am Liege Victorian of Petrobon, Master of the Pelican. Many people provide service when asked. Victor sees a need, a gap, something missing, and provides it or makes sure it's provided so that the dream can continue. He inspires also others to do the same, not looking for grandeur or acknowledgement. I am absolutely delighted that Victor is part of my life and part of my yesterday because he made everything so much better, so convenient. Thank you. Thank you.
Is there a member of the Order of Defense who will attest to Victor's humility?
Aye, Your Majesties, if you will allow it. I'm Adam Akai, Master of the Order of Defense. I've known Victor for many years, and in those years, we have broken bread many nights. We've shared ale many nights. Several I remember. I've seen him grow, and I've seen him lift up others, from the newest of fighters to the most experienced of fighters. I have seen him lift up our barony and your kingdom. I have fought next to him in the Dragon Horde out at Penzig many a times, and he has fought fierce. And he is a shining example of my fear, Your Majesties. For this I commend him.
Thank you. Summon the members of our most noble order of the chivalry.
Their Majesties summon the Order of the Chivalry.